Dear friends, welcome. I would like to introduce to you the Feudo White Vintage 2019. This wine is produced with 85% of Grillo, a semi-aromatic grape variety often compared to Sauvignon Blanc, and with 15% of Caricante, the native grape variety of Etna. The Feudo White has a bright straw yellow color with golden veins. It begins with fresh yellow fruit fragrances such as pineapple and melon, then opens with a more ripe fruit aromas such as passion fruit and peach. The taste is intense, decidedly dry and fresh, enriched with a slight savory boost. The Feudo White ages on lees for about 4 to 6 months in steel tanks and for about 2 to 3 months in the bottle. Visit our websites. In Europe, www.vinigambino.it, and in United States, www.gambinovini.com. Take care, enjoy your time and enjoy your wine. Cheers! Salute!